What is meditation and how do I start? Here's a simple practice you can try right now. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it gently now. Exhale slowly. Do it again. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And just notice the feeling of the air entering your nose and leaving your body. You're not trying to do anything. Just observe. No pressure. No expectations. That was your first moment of meditation. Meditation isn't about emptying your mind or sitting still for hours. It's simply the practice of training your attention to become more aware of your thoughts, your breath, your body without judgment. Think of it like going to the gym, but for your mind. It helps reduce stress, improve focus, and even regulate emotions. And the best part, you don't need a special room, candles, or music. You just need you, your breath, and a few quiet moments. If you're new to meditation, here's how to begin. Set a timer for 2 to 5 minutes. Sit comfortably. You don't need to cross your legs or sit on the floor. A chair works just fine. Focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. And when your mind wanders, because it will, gently bring it back. That's it. You don't need to clear your thoughts. The goal is not perfection. The goal is presence.